everyone, I'm Ivor and welcome back to my channel. And here's another TikTok transition tutorial that I don't know what's it called. It's like a fake illusion of you dropping your phone from a high building while you're recording. Does that make sense? Just watch this video. What he did was insane because he dropped it from a bridge in public. I kind of know how it works, but it seems to be a little bit dangerous because it's in the public, in the middle of highway. But
wow.
First thing, have stairs in your house. So let me break down this transition tutorial. You don't need any video editing app. You just need a TikTok app. Now go on a TikTok song and select a song that has a transition beat, if you know what I mean. So for the first part, you gotta make sure the bottom floor is empty. The first part of the transition is gonna be you holding your phone while lip syncing to the song, and you're gonna move the camera to actually show that one level above and there isn't anything at the bottom to catch it, you know what I mean? Now here's the fun part. You're gonna stop recording and go downstairs, go to the bottom floor, and place pillows for your phone to drop nicely so it doesn't break. And once you're done placing the pillows, here comes the second part of the transition. So once you show the empty space, you're gonna turn your camera back to yourself. So it's like a transition, like swipe kind of thing. And you're gonna go back upstairs and try to get the similar camera angle that you did in the first part. Because we ended the first part with a swipe like this. So to begin the second part, you're gonna swipe a bit before you record. Now set your timer on and start with a swipe and drop your phone. And go get your phone and restart with third part. And try not to move the camera angle because we want to keep the same angle that the phone fell on. Now to perfect the transition, we're gonna tap on the adjust clips. And try to trim the beginning and the end of every single clip. Because the key here is to make all the clips look like it's connected. I forgot to film an outro, so here we go. So that's all good for you guys. If you guys have any questions, just leave comments down below. If you want me to do any other TikTok tutorials, just comment down below as well. And happy 2021. I hope 2021 doesn't suck as much as 2020, I guess. So until then, stay safe and take care.